ThinkSemi Infotech is leading electronics manufacturing services provider in India. We are doing turnkey electronics manufacturing services, wire harness and cable assembly, electronics components distribution. We are IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certified company. Our services: PCBA prototyping, PCB assembly, PCBA testing. State-of-art manufacturing facility with high-accuracy automated machines and skilled labor force. Facility setup is completely ESD protected, enhancing reliability of the products. Advanced technology and latest generation SMT machines such as screen printing, 3D SPI, 2 lakh CPH capability pick and place, reflow oven, automatic optical inspection, wave soldering, in-circuit tester, conformal coating machine, PCB router. 16-zone reflow oven with thermal profiler, dual-jet wave technology wave soldering machine, manufacturing capabilities with international quality standards certified for quality management systems and automotive standards, 100% product testing with qualified engineer from quality control team. Inline 2D automatic optical inspection machine for high-precision inspection. 2D AOI machines use high-resolution cameras and advanced image processing algorithms to detect even tiny defects on PCBs, such as soldering issues, missing components, and misaligned parts. AOI machines can inspect PCBs at high speeds, typically much faster than manual inspection. This efficiency helps maintain or increase production throughput without sacrificing quality. Manual and through-hole PCB assembly. Our through-hole PCB assembly services combine both manual and automated techniques. Our skilled team excels in handling complex assemblies, ensuring precision and quality. We provide single, double-sided, and high-density multi-layer through-hole circuit board assembly services. With proper planning and execution, ThinkSemi caters to low to high volume requirements of clients from various industries, including consumer electronics, medical, automotive, and telecommunications sectors. PCB inspections and testing. Automated X-ray inspection and offline in-circuit testing. Automated X-ray inspection offers rapid and precise quality control in mass production. Its non-destructive testing capabilities detect hidden defects like soldering issues and misalignments, ensuring high-quality products. Inventory of over 200K in-stock components. Our hands-off sourcing service is designed to streamline your procurement process. With a vast inventory of over 200K in-stock components, we eliminate the need for you to worry about the complexities of part sourcing. This not only saves you valuable time and hassle but also significantly reduces your operational costs. Wire harness and cable assembly. OEM 2-wheeler EV conversion kits, OEM 3-wheeler EV full harness sets, OEM 4-wheeler diagnostics, GPS, keyless assemblies, medical equipment cable assemblies, telecommunication cable assemblies, PCB cable assemblies, industrial wiring harnesses, coaxial cable assemblies, power supply harness assemblies, ribbon cable assemblies, antenna cable assemblies, electromechanical wire harness assemblies. Mr. Sudarsan is the founder and managing director of ThinkSemi Infotech. As an entrepreneur, Mr. Sudarsan believes that starting small and building from the ground up is the best way to succeed. He understands the importance of giving 100% effort, understanding clients' issues, and providing the right solutions. He believes that continuous learning and upgrading of knowledge are essential for success in any field. ThinkSemi Infotech has successfully achieved both IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certifications, making us a leading provider of top-notch electronic solutions, with an unwavering commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Ensuring uninterrupted operations with a reliable power backup infrastructure, including dedicated transformers, DG, solar and UPS. Electronic components distribution, 12 years of experience in sourcing to support obsolete and hard-to-find parts. We can provide manufacturer COC from our authorized distribution line. We can provide a third-party laboratory report for component authenticity.